Hey, what's up guys, it's Days Tech here with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make a non-supported iPhone wireless charging. So I have an iPhone 5s that doesn't support wireless charging, and because you guys may know that wireless charging is supported from iPhone 7 to higher, like iPhone X, XS, XS Max or XR. So basically you guys just need some accessories for this thing. I have a QI standard wireless charger for iPhone 5 series and higher to 7 series. A wireless charger, this is the Fantasy wireless charger. A cable that we connect with the wireless charger, and a power bank for connection. So let me connect it up because I'm holding my camera from one hand, so I have to work with one hand. Sorry for that. Let me do it. Yes, it's done. So I'm just skipping the video through this process, so just wait for a bit. So I'm back after skipping the video for some time. So I connected my wireless charger with the power bank, and here is my QI standard wireless charger. I plugged it into the iPhone so you guys can see her. So now let's charge it using the wireless charger. So you guys can see her, it is disconnected, and when I put it over the wireless charger with the same alignment, and yeah, it's charging. You guys can see here that nothing is connected over here except the wireless charging dock. When we put it over there, and boom, it's connected. Put up, not connected. Put it, connected. So yes, this is the easiest method to make any of your iPhone charge wirelessly. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you dislike the video, please hit the dislike button, and maybe subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with more videos and watch some more videos up there. Subscribe my channel from here.